Everybody, and in today's video I'll tell you guys why your TikTok live button is not showing up. And so let me show you. I'm going on my TikTok over here and clicking on the plus icon. As you guys can see, there is no live button over here. Like, the live button should be on the section where all these beauty filter timer flash thing is showing up. There should be a live option, so mine is not showing up. And the first reason is, as you guys can see, I have 0 followers. So the first criteria for you to be able to go live is you need to have 1,000 followers. So once you have 1,000 followers and your account is above 16, like when you're signing up, you need to put your birthday, right? So like if your birthday is not above 16, then you cannot go live. So these are the two criteria. You need to have 1,000 follower and your age needs to be above 16 to go live on TikTok. After all these criteria are filled, then your live button will come and you can go live on TikTok. So that's how simple it is to go live on TikTok. So to get 1,000 followers, you need to post good content and interact with people, so people will start following you. So yeah, if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification.